Hi guys and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be talking about a bit of an issue, the UGG Tasmans, which I just got recently. I just wanted to share my thoughts on them and also a few outfits. But before we get started, hi, my name is Sabrina and I talk about fashion, beauty, life and a few other things here on YouTube. If you are new here and you enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what you'd like to see in 2023 as well, because I'm hoping to film a few more videos. But let's get started with the UGG Tasmans. I do have a few notes on my phone, so if you see me looking down, that is why. So firstly, these are the UGG Tasmans. Like I mentioned, they come in loads of different colours. They seem to be really popular at the moment. I'm not gonna lie, the first time I saw them, I thought, ugh, why would anyone buy them? And then, I don't know, maybe like 2 months later, here we are and I have my very own pair. I don't typically do videos like this because like these, I really don't think I typically buy like it shoes or it clothing or anything that's as trendy as these, but I have my reasons, I think. I do want to mention that I bought these off Amazon. If you are going to get these off Amazon, just make sure they're actually sold by Amazon, because you need to be careful that you're not buying a fake. And I waited really impatiently for like 3 weeks for them to arrive because they were out of stock when I ordered them, but I was still able to order them, and then basically as soon as they came into stock they were dispatched to me. They are largely out of stock everywhere. They do come in other colours. I went for chestnut, I think that's what this is called. I was kind of between this and black, but I went for this in the end because I don't really know, I just felt like I liked this colour more. I just thought they were a bit more wearable in my opinion. They may not be, but that was just what I thought. So they are essentially sold as a slipper for all occasions according to them, because they have a standard UGG sole, but you kind of like slip them on more. They're not a boot basically, but I think they're very similar for their boots. They're just extra short basically. But the fact that they are a slipper but they have a proper sole means that you can wear them inside and outside. They're lined with the classic sheepskin and wool you'd expect from UGG. It has this little embroidered part at the top, but you still kind of slip your foot into them. It's hard to slip your foot onto this. I always need a little bit of help to get the back up from under my foot. So although these are very trendy, I decided to go for these because A, they are currently a trend, and B, I was looking for a pair of slippers from UGG. I've not really got a pair of slippers from UGG. I'll show you my slippers actually. I typically wear these. They've really seen better days basically. They're from the white company and I really like them, but they don't have a front to them, they don't really have a back, and therefore they're not that warm and they're not sheepskin. So I just wanted something that was like really warm to keep my feet warm whilst working from home. But I was gonna go for like a standard pair of UGGs, but then I thought, you know what, like why don't I just get these, because at least I can wear them out. Yeah, they'll be on trend probably for a year or so, but then after I can just wear them in the house. They are affordable for a pair of UGGs, I would say. I think they're about the £90 mark. I have seen them on offer in a few other places for like 80, 85. They're usually about that £90 price point, I would say. The other thing I was a bit unsure about is what size to get. I'm typically a 6/6.5, which is a 39/39.5 in European sizing. I went for a 40, which is a 7. I do own the size 6, so I can't say that, oh, actually a size 6 would have been better. The size 7 is okay, but I've worn these about twice and they're starting to feel a bit big in my opinion. I don't know if they are feeling big or it's just that they're not great for walking. Because the design, the back is super low, you have to put your foot in. I need to use my finger to kind of help me get that up. As I walk, my foot kind of like, it doesn't slip out, but it kind of lifts a little bit. I guess because there's not that much support around this side. But if you think about it, they are supposed to be a slipper. If I'm going for a long walk, I'm never going to wear these. I would wear them to like the supermarket or around the house, or if I'm going to someone else's house, I would wear them like to and from the car, and they're great for that. But like I said, they're really not for walking. I would say that if you are looking to walk a little bit more in them, then maybe the UGG Ultra Minis are kind of still an it shoe, but probably easier to walk in. But that said, they don't really offer the support that you should be after in a walking shoe. So it kind of depends how far you're planning to walk. If I were to go on a walk, which we do quite a lot, I put on a pair of trainers or a proper pair of boots. I don't put on a pair of UGGs. I wouldn't even typically wear a pair of Converse. I look for something, basically I'm old and I want some support for my shoes, and I don't think you get that from these. But the truth is, I bought them for the warmth, and they definitely offer that. I haven't worn them that much at home, if I'm completely honest, because the one other issue, and this is across the board with UGGs though, is that obviously they can't be worn in the rain. I know I have seen people wear them in the rain, I've seen people wear them in the snow. I'm not going to wear mine in the rain nor in the snow. Obviously sometimes you're caught out, but it almost puts me off wearing them even at home. When I like wash my hands and stuff, I do sometimes like, I don't know, I wash my hands and I'm looking for a kitchen towel to dry my hands on, and then I kind of like splash water, and I am like very conscious that I might get water on these and ruin them. Because of that, I feel like I haven't been wearing them quite as much, but as soon as it gets a little bit colder, it hasn't been that cold recently, I think I'll start wearing them again. Yeah, that's kind of my take on these. Do I think you should get them? I don't know. I think they are reasonably priced for a pair of Uggs. I think if you're going to get a pair of Ugg slippers, these are a nice alternative because you can wear them out more than you can the slippers. That said, when I wore them out, my mum was like, are you wearing your slippers outside of the house? I'm like, nah, kind of. I do like them. I'm very happy I've got them. I think I will have them long term. I think they are a decent investment because they aren't wildly expensive, especially for a pair of Uggs. Yes, they are trendy, but equally somewhat practical, at least in the house. Yeah, I don't know basically what my outcome as to whether you should get them or not. I don't know. That's the pros and cons from my point of view. I don't think that's the easiest thing to style. It has to be casual, but equally I think it's quite nice if your shoe, either you can really see your socks or your shoe covers most of it. But that said, I think they'll feature quite heavily probably in January on my Instagram, and I'll probably be wearing them quite a lot. I'm now going to include just a couple of little outfit ideas. So if you're here looking for really inspiring outfits, that's probably not what you're going to get here. This is pretty much like the most standard outfit I would wear with these Uggs. I'm not even sure if you can see this because I feel like I can't get the camera far away enough. Other people that have a YouTube channel must live in like the biggest house. I do like this outfit. It's just very casual though. It's kind of what I'd wear to the supermarket or potentially for a walk. Like I said, I don't really wear these very much for walking, but I don't know, I feel like they kind of slip off a little bit as you walk. That said, I do like this outfit. Just plain black. Leggings are from Stronger, and then I think the key here is some like long white socks. These are just like cashmere ones, which I've actually got on the wrong way around because they have initials on them, but I've got the initials facing inwards instead of outwards. I really like this little look, and they're warm and they're comfy. Okay, outfit 2 is a super pink one. Trying to move the camera back as much as I can, but it's really hard to get a full length picture. I do like the full pink, but I don't have like any shoes, so I kind of needed something with like a soft colour. So these kind of work with this. I actually think I wore this Boxing Day or something. Just casual and comfy and relatively warm. I feel like my feet are really warm, so it works quite well. I think this outfit is probably how you see the Uggs more commonly worn. I do like it, but honestly these jeans aren't the most flattering, so I don't actually love these jeans because they're a low waist. But I kind of like this vibe. I think going into spring, this is quite a cool one to wear as well, because you could, instead of wearing a coat, you could wear a blazer. Just kind of like a more relaxed, well, not necessarily more relaxed, but like more slouchy kind of look. I do really like it. And then this is my final outfit. I'm going to take it apart as we go. This is the Uggs. I've got my new bag on. Wow, I just whacked myself in the head. My coat is next. I really like this coat. And then underneath we have this going on. I actually wasn't planning to wear this outfit. It kind of, I just spotted the shirt and I was like, oh actually I'm going to put on this shirt, and then I was like, oh maybe I'll put on with these trousers, and basically this is how we ended up here. Everything is next, coincidentally. I like this shirt because the shirts are typically smart, I guess, but where it's oversized I don't think it looks as smart, and I really like that. Trousers, baggy, wide leg, which like I said I like with the Uggs. This is my last outfit. Let me know which one is your favourite. I feel like none of them are like perfect, but I think that's kind of something to bear in mind if you do buy the Uggs. They are a casual shoe essentially. Oh, I don't know if you can see my mess, I'm not sure. They are a casual shoe, so just bear that in mind. But I hope this video was helpful. I have worn these a little bit more since I filmed the first portion of this video, and what I'm going to say is I don't think you should size up because I feel like mine are a little bit big for me. But that's the end of this video. Do let me know if you enjoyed it. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.